Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how Google Cloud Operations Suite can help you monitor and troubleshoot your infrastructure and applications. The tools in the suite provide deep insights and best practices that help your team's developer, operations, DevOps, and SREs utilize Google SRE principles. It captures signals, monitors systems and services, and helps troubleshoot issues with built-in telemetry for Google services, out-of-box dashboards, define and manage alerts, recommendations, and more. The tools include monitoring, logging, and advanced observabilities such as Trace, Debugger, and Profiler. Cloud logging aggregates log data at scale from all your infrastructure and applications into a single location. This enables users to search and analyze large volumes of log to troubleshoot problems quickly, and gives you full control to decide how and where to store the logs. Cloud monitoring provides visibility of health across your apps and infrastructure, regardless of where it is. You can even define custom metrics unique to your use case and send them to external systems. Using Metrics Explorer and Monitoring Query Language, you can analyze these metrics and can even set alerts and SLOs. Advanced Observability feature Trace provides insight into request flow, service topology, and latency issues in your app. Debugger allows you to inspect running applications after deployment without needing to stop or slow down. And Profiler continually analyzes your code's performance on each service so you can improve its speed and reduce your costs. While Trace tracks relationships and latency between services, Profiler tracks this across individual functions in your codebase, and Debugger helps find the root cause. You can use the Cloud Console or the API to use cloud operation tools. All cloud capabilities offer a very generous free tier to make it easy for you to get started. So next time you're looking for an observability solution, take a minute to look at cloud operations. To learn more, check out cloud.google.com/product/operations.